But before we start today's video, subscribe to our channel, hit the bell notification icon, and like, share, and comment to this video.
Hi everybody. Today I want to show you this really nice engraver that I just got. It comes in 4 different parts and you put them together. It comes in this box. As you can see right there, it's called the LaserPecker 2 and it's really nice. Like I said, you put it together in like 4 different parts. One of the good things about this is that you can tilt it. So not only you do vertical, but you can have it you can put it at any angle you want, and you can actually take it out of the base and do it completely manual. For that, they just recommend that you're very careful. If you're going to use it manually, it comes with safety glasses too. Whether you're using the guard or not, you always recommend to use that. And it's anything that is laser, you want to be careful with. I did a couple of test drives, and again, you can see in the video that I'm going to put in, I did here too, and I actually grabbed a piece of watermelon and I tried it on just because I wanted to see, and it worked pretty well. It also comes with like a metal tag, so you can try it out here. You could set it up at different levels. You can light, medium, and heavy. So it connects to a Bluetooth, and it will indicate right here that it's connected. Now the app has several different designs already in there, but you can upload your own design, and you can just put it right here or upload it to your phone, and then the engraver will take it. If you plug it in, it takes a little bit to warm up, and again, so it has a fan in here to collect any of the smells, and again, I suggest you have your own fan on as well, or do it outside, well ventilated area. And so I just did by accident, but you can push right here, it will go up, or right here it will go down on its own. It will go all the way down until it feels a pressure, and you can stop it at any time. Oh, right there. Up here is showing it's blinking because it needs to connect to the Bluetooth. So this is the engraver. Really nice. Again, you can put anything flat over here, or you can put it against anything that is flat. But it is also, you can buy separately a roller stand. This roller stand comes in this box, and it is perfect for anything that is cylindrical. Water bottle, you place it right here, and it will rotate to make sure that the engraving is curved. So not only for water bottles, but anything that is cylindrical. And this will connect to the engraver, and again, it will rotate as needed. This is a really great find. Didn't even know they made this, and but it is very interesting. So you could use it for business. I mean, again, you can engrave water bottles, wood, metal tags, anything you want. And this also, you can label your boxes or anything like that. So great for business, great for a hobby. You can make some gifts. Really, really nice. So I hope that you guys find it as interesting, as useful, and as cool as I do.